another hot trade over here on euro yen, right? So on the weekly chart, what we can see over here is a retest of resistance, and many of times traders will have in and have a look and wanted to short it. But as an experienced trader over here, what we do is we compare one of the indicator known as the RSI, and we see that there is something known as a RSI hidden divergence, which means it's not a good news for traders who want to head in for a selling opportunity. I'm not saying that the RSI divergence is the ultimate indicator that will tell you what to do and what not to do, but this happened to be having trading years experience of 20 years. I have developed certain indicators to help me filter out certain trading direction, because I am both a counter trend trader and a trend trader, right? So I need something to justify whether to engage certain trades. And from the results of testing for 100 times per time frame per currency pair, I've seen that this result does bring quite a good outcome for me, right? The results I want, right? So if you head down the daily chart, nothing much for me over here. 4-hour chart, this is a main theme over here. You might see that this a bullish shark pattern has really took off. So what happened to a lot of traders is they look at this trade 73 pips that's running. They are saying that, oh, money is running away, there's still halfway more to go, let's hop in and capture the half, so we'll miss it. But what usually happened, market came down, then they lose the trade without hitting the right stop loss. Their stop loss will be triggered, or they overtrade their account when margin called or stop out, and later on to see that the market continue, right? So such situation happens. But over here, this is not how we do it. We do not chase the market. But in fact, on the 1-hour chart, we have spotted a double bottom over here. I'm waiting for a double bottom retracement. This is known as the art of trading in our academy, right? So an entry price at 172.63 will be valid only if we see certain formation, in our case, a magic candle confirmation, before we head in for the trade. So 172.63, let's have a look over here. 72.63 is somewhere over here, right? So to me, is pretty good. It gives me a better entry opportunity over here rather than the current price, right? It gave me a 50 pips advantage or lesser risk, lesser stop loss, which turns out that the risk turns into a profit mechanism. 50 pips profits, or I risk 50 pips lesser, which is a huge deal in trading when we talk about the reward is to risk ratio, right? So if you do not understand anything that I talk about it, but it seems to make sense, drop me a DM down below. We will see if you are ready to be coached before accepting you as our student.